What's going on here?
Never put stuff on cast irons.
We shall start with this disgrace. Put yourself a little bit of oil, lime juice, salt, clean towel. Literally, this is your sign. Will you help me reach my goal and subscribe? Thanks. Put a little bit of oil on there and rub it around, all around. This here now is completely non-stick without any chemicals used on the pan. All it is cast iron. I'm Calamity Girl and this is my point of view.